Hey guys, Pizza Lover here. Today I'll be showing you how to create a simple Discord bot. Now, to start off, we're gonna create a new folder. Let's go and name this tutorial bot. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it. Okay. Now I'll be using Atom to go and do it all. Oh, I really shouldn't have moved it that way. Just drag and drop that into there. And okay. So I'm gonna create a new file, name this server.js. Now, I'm gonna open up my command prompt. Now I'm gonna head over to cd desktop and cd tutorial bot. Now npm install dash save discord.js. So that's gonna start installing. While that does its thing, I'm gonna do const attachment client equals require then discord.js. Now I'm gonna add in another one, const discord equals require discord.js. The reason why this is outside of there is just because for some reason it went and didn't work whenever it's part of that. So what I'm now going to do is const client equals new client. Now const prefix is equals to, let's just do that, const token equals bot dash token. We'll put the bot token in later. Now we're gonna do client dot on ready, then parentheses, then a arrow, and then just a curly bracket. Now we're gonna do console.log bot is online. And now I'm gonna add in the client.login right now, just so then, yeah. Well, now we just need to add a client.on message, add a arrow, then curly bracket, then just press enter. Now, if message.author.bot, so if the message author is a bot, we will just go and return. Just so then bots won't be activating other bots. Now, if message.content.to lowercase, and that's equals to a $, curly bracket, prefix, ping. Okay, so this gets the message, so that's the message, it gets the contents, and it makes it lowercase. So if the message is in all capitals, like ping, so if it's like that, it goes and then makes it lowercase, and if the lowercase version is equals to the prefix, which is just that, then ping, it will do whatever's inside here, which will just be a simple message.channel.send pong. It's something super basic, but yeah. Now, if we go over onto Discord, go on to developer portal, I already created a test bot right there, but I'm gonna quickly run through a way on how you can do it. So if you go into Discord developer portal, then you just click new application, you put in the name, then when you click create, it will create a new like application. Now you just head over to bot, and then there's a create bot button. Once you confirm, you get a page kind of like this. Just copy that token, and then put it right into there. Now, if I go on to there, and to add the bot, you just go on to OAuth 2, click bot there, then click administrator, copy that, and then just go into a new tab. Okay, this is taking way too long to load. There we go. Just paste it in. It will then ask you to like choose a server and all that. But it's already added, so all we have to do now is go over to the command prompt, then do node server.js. Now bots online, there's that. Now if we do that, then ping. Oh, something too lowercase. Too lowercase is not a function. Dot too lowercase. Is that just the issue? Ping. There we go. See, that's the issue. You need to make sure that the right things are capitals. But there we go. Now, we can even do it like ping, still works. Make it like all different. And yeah. No matter what, it'll always respond as long as the main thing itself is equals to just plain ping. And so I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!